Welcome to the new weekly report about how to become self-taught developer. I am Fernando. I am currently learning how to code with Node.js, where I have currently building my product, which will be a currency analyzer in the Forex industry, which I'm familiar with. And the current status is that I have been away for a month and a half because of the vacation, and also because of the some progress and some process I had with the job. So currently I already started to work on the project, and I would like to inform you what is the current status. If you go to the self-taught developer website, which is a simple HTML website currently, you have last reports here, the link if you would like to check the previous week's reports. So the last report here, when you click on it, you will get the week 36, which is the last 2 weeks. In my case, I've started this journey last December. So 36 weeks are not complete. It's not completely this year because I had some gaps, for example, in the last 1.5 months. Current progress, you can see here that I have, this is the report from today. I have put here a visual how the website currently looks. What is my steps I have done in the last 2 weeks? I have put database from my local PC, from the PostgreSQL to the DigitalOcean server, and then I am working on a solution how to put my local PC version of this Node.js website, how to put it on the live server. The problem how to put this website, the Node.js program, to the DigitalOcean droplet is not so big issue. But the issue is that I cannot load the CSS files and also JavaScript files that are located inside the public folder. This is located inside this one here. If you take a look at this one here, you will see that there is a public folder with images and also here the JavaScript files with style CSS. And the issue is I cannot find the solution how to load these files on the DigitalOcean server. Current version of this website on the domain kernelizer is visible here. This is the old version, and you can see it's working currently, where it's fetching the data and it shows you what is the current status about the currencies ranked. Below that you have a comparison between the EUR/USD and GBP/USD price levels. You have also a pimp range for the EUR/USD. So here it's a simple HTML, but it has the CSS and it has JavaScript files, and that is because I have put all these files, CSS files and JavaScript files, into EJS file. So for example, if we go here, I have put all of these inside this one. But to make the code cleaner and also to make the program much more better, to divide all these files into separate JavaScript files, into CSS file, and also images into its folder, I would like to have all of these files separated. But in the previous version I have everything here inside index.ejs file. So the issue is currently I cannot find the solution how to load these files from the server when I put the new code up. And the issue is whenever I use the kernelizer domain, I have this issue. But if I open this website over the IP, I simply type the IP address, it works. It loads all the files from the public. So I cannot find correlation between the kernelizer and also the IP address, why it's working with IP address and it's not working with the kernelizer. So currently I am learning and learning about the web server and Nginx to see how it works, to understand the logic behind, so I can find what is causing the issue. I know at the beginning when I have put this website on the under domain name on the digital droplet, I know that somewhere I have changed something inside the configuration files of the server, which I cannot find currently because it was too long time and I have not recorded these steps. I know that I have changed something. There is a redirection I have put from the kernelizer dot refresh to open the kernelizer domain. And whenever whenever I have a post request for the refresh button, it was the button for the refresh, if you remember that. If we go here inside the previous, let's go previous, just to see the previous versions of the website. Well, too bad I have not put these. I have not put images before. I have started in the last several of these reports. I have started to use the images of the current website look, but you have also a video on the YouTube channel where you can see the previous version of the website. So whenever I had clicked the refresh button, there was a post request to the Node.js with a refresh. Then I had an issue with that, so I have done something with the server. So whenever I push the button, I do not open a refresh page, but I have a kernelizer website, a domain, and the post request is sent back to the Node.js. So currently the previous issue I have solved, currently is making an issue right now. So I need to find where I have changed that. So this is the current status, why I cannot put this local website. And currently this is the local version of the website I would like to put here under the domain name on the digital droplet. So I can have, this is a so-called minimum MVP, minimum viable product. I would like to check with the users, is it okay, current status, and would they like to have something else on the website? So just to give you a rough overview what I have done, I have changed this header. You can see that here compared to the previous versions. I have put here a bar chart with the currency strength, which is on the left side the most strong currency and the most weakest currency on the right side. I have put here an option for the traders to select which time frame you would like to get this currency strength, for example H1 daily. So it's changed, and you can also select the date in the past if there is a data inside the database for that date. So for example, on this date, you can see it changes because there is a data inside the database for this date. So whenever I click this one here on the 8th of September, you can see it changes the values here. On the 1st, here there is no data here on the 1st. Let's check on the August 28. Here you can see it changes the data. There is no data for this date. For the 10th, here it is. Now you can see how it works. I have put more details because I have read on the internet that the traders would like to have this information available to change the date in the past, to see how the values have changed. And below that, I have a graph visualization of this currency strength. So if you would like to have this visualization visible here, you have as a line chart what is the currency strength and which is the date. Currently it is for the 1 hour time frame for the current date. So if we change to the 4 hour time frame, for example, we'll have different values, and also we will have a different dates below. So below that you have also the change of the strength. Currently what is the strength and also what is the value changed for a specific of these symbols. Below that you have an option to see what is current price change in the percentage. You can see that here. We can see that Euro USD have changed by 0.03 and the GBP USD has changed by 0.035. So there are similar changes. If we take a look below, we have Euro USD, GBP USD comparison for the price, just to see the correlation between these two. And below that, I have Euro USD, a pip range. This is from Monday to Friday. What is the current pip range? So for example, 31 pips is for the Friday on average for this week. And we can see on a Thursday, 32, 31, 25 and 33. So these are the charts I have prepared for the traders if they like to see this one. I have much more ideas which charts and also which details I would like to have for the specific currency. So this will be in the future. But I would like to see how the users are reacting to this current status for this one, and is there anything that they would like to have. So I have put here a send feedback if they would like. This is the Google form where they can put all details and desires what they would like to have on the current lighter here. Now here it is, the self-taught developer. This is a GitHub account. You can see currently that there is a gap on the July and August. This is the gap where I had a vacation, and also the process I already have explained because of the job. And currently on the September, I'm currently working on defining the solution for this DigitalOcean, how to have new version of the website available on the server without issues with the IP and also the CSS and other JavaScript files. So this is all what I can show you currently. I have stopped coding because currently I have issues how to solve this problem with the server and showing all the CS file. Until I found this information, I will not put any code inside GitHub. What I will do, I'm going to start learning about a web server to understand how it works, so I can find what is causing the issue. Currently, I do not have enough knowledge. I'm using GPT to help me find a solution, but what I can see, it's not very helpful because he offers you a solution which is not very good. Sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's not. And especially if you do not have the knowledge, the basic knowledge, how the thing works, you will not go in the right direction. So I need to learn more about the web server to learn how it works, so I can use ChatGPT in certain cases when it helped me, but I need to guide ChatGPT in the right direction to help me and find a solution. So this is the conclusion. The conclusion is that it is important to know the basic about what you are doing, so you can know how to find where is the problem is and how to solve it. You can use the tools to help you with that, but nobody can help you to solve all the issues completely. So it's important to understand at least the basics so you can use your tools in the right moment with the right direction. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you like this, you can also like the video and subscribe. See you next time, and happy coding.